Innovation for waste minimization.
This is a BECCA model S700M manual solvent paint spray gun cleaner workstation. It is made in the USA. The features include a switch for turning the main air on or off, a switch for turning the Power Clean compressed air quick disconnects and the exhaust system on or off, a switch for selecting used or clean solvent, a switch for selecting flow brush or power pistol, a flow brush with stiff bristles and adjustable fluid flow control, a power pistol with adjustable fluid flow control, a BECCA solvent-resistant Power Clean compressed air quick disconnect with adjustable airflow control, an air regulator with two-stage filtration and water trap, 2 optional 5-gallon solvent cleaning solution containers, or the optional 10-gallon stainless steel tanks with sight glass, 1 for used and 1 for clean solvent, an optional cover door required by some jurisdictions. An optional filtration recycling system is available to extend the life of the solvent for reuse up to 8 times the normal life. Laminated posters with spray gun cleaning instructions in English and Spanish.
Innovation for waste minimization.